1, 2, 3, go. Bonjour, 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 buongiorno. Good morning, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know me already, it's Nicole again here. And if you don't know me, hi, I'm Nicole and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if I'm filming again, it's another challenge. It's a brand new morning, a very nice sunshine. We have a very nice sunny morning. So we are up for another challenge that I am only going to eat French food. Yes, French food for a day, for 24 hours. So let's go to the video. Hi, bonjour. So we are already in our kitchen and I'm gonna go prepare for breakfast, or in French, let's have some le petit déjeuner. Wait, let's Google Translate.
Petit déjeuner.
Petit déjeuner.
Petit déjeuner.
Petit déjeuner. Nice. We're gonna have some fancy breakfast. I feel like French people are fancy, so I don't normally eat breakfast like this. I'm usually on my pajamas. Yeah, so we have some baguette, of course. Some baguette. This is like a long, narrow French bread. Yeah, the famous baguette. Okay, so it says that, so I did my research and it says that they usually toast it and put some jam or butter, yeah, or Nutella. And I also have some this puff pastry bread. It's called pain au chocolat. Wait, let's Google Translate.
Pain au chocolat.
Pain au chocolat. So we'll have some pain au chocolat. And we have some coffee. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, it's a coffee. And some fruits. Yeah, so that's the typical French breakfast. And yeah, they just eat like minimal breakfast. So let's go and prepare. So let's eat. So I'm gonna put some butter in our baguette. Oh, the smell. By the way, if you're wondering where I bought these things, I bought it in Lidl. Because for this week they have all the French food. Okay, so let's go. Coffee. Oh, good. And the Eiffel Tower. Oh, nice to drink your coffee and the Eiffel Tower is there. And have some jam. It's a strawberry jam made by my grandma. Oh yeah, one tip. Always put butter to your bread before you put jam, and it will be really good. It tastes nice. Yeah. So let's have our first bite. The bread is nice. There's crunch because I toasted. Imagine listening to French music. That's what they do, yes. So good. Sarap. I don't think this is like authentic like French baguette, but it's so good. Just imagine it and be thankful. Also, when I did the research, it says that French people loves to take time when they're eating. Yeah. So they eat and eat and eat, like slowly. They take their time to digest and to finish their conversation. So like if they're having a conversation, I think that's nice, because I think people nowadays are like always in a rush. Yeah. I'm really shocked. I'm shocked that in France, like, breakfast is the least important meal. Yeah, that's new. Never heard that before. Yeah. Next, fruit. This would be nice. It's called pan. Wait, let's just get help.
Pain au chocolat. Pain au chocolat.
Pan au chocolat. Pan au chocolat. So it's, look at that. Ooh, yum. Chocolate. Okay. I've tried this before, but yum. I love sweet things. I love chocolate, so this is probably the best for me. So this is a puff pastry bread. Yeah, puff pastry dough, like the croissant. I think it's the same, but it's just in different shape. Yeah. Good. Masarap siya. Mahirap. It's hard to pronounce the name, but it's really good. Like what it said, I've been to France, but not in Paris. Daddy, Mommy, you know where we will go next. Yeah, it's my dream destination. I've only been to Calais, like near the Eurotunnel. Yeah, when we were traveling from Poland and then going here to Ireland by car. Yeah, my dad is the best. He drove us all the way from Poland to here. Yeah, I just wish, like, I know how to speak French a bit, so I would be like talking in French. So this would be like more French challenge. Why am I so full now? Like, I only ate like one piece of baguette, then one of these. I thought they eat light meals, but for me, I'm so heavy now, and I'm so full. I have here some fruits. The kiwi is really ripe. You like kiwi? Many people doesn't like kiwi. I didn't like it before, but I like it now. Cause I was like, when I was young, I was like, there's so many eyes. I eat grapes like this. Oh. I'm not sweet. It's not sweet. Sorry. This is not a sweet grape. So, I think that's all. That's my breakfast, my French breakfast. I enjoyed it. It's very different. No, we eat bread also, like here in Ireland. But if I'm in the Philippines, it's gonna be a very different breakfast. For me, this is like fancy breakfast if I'm in the Philippines. Because in the Philippines we eat rice. some eggs, some hot dogs, some tocino, ham, spam. Yeah. So it's really heavy breakfast, but this is really light, but I feel so full. I feel stuffed. So I enjoyed my... Wait, where's that?
Petit déjeuner.
Petit déjeuner. I enjoyed my petit déjeuner. So it was really nice. I can't wait for my lunch. Hello again, beautiful people. Bonjour, beautiful people. So it's currently like 12-ish, 12:05, and when I did the research, it says that French people usually eat their lunch like 11:30-ish to 2 p.m. So it sounds like 12 now. So I'm gonna go and try to prepare the French lunch that I'm going to have. So I have this. I got this thing. It's just basically a tarta flambe. It's for first course. Yep. And then we have this. Ask Google for some help how to pronounce this. Okay. For me, I pronounce it like daffinoise, like daffodil. But let's check.
Dauphinois.
Dauphinois.
Dauphinois. Dauphinois.
So it's dauphinois. Dauphinois. So I am going to bake this two first. So this is for my first course, and this is gonna be my main course, and we're going to have this. I'm going to have desserts. This is our luncheon. This is the lunch that I baked. This is the, what do you call it? Tarta flambe. I don't know what. Oh, it's just potato, some raclette cheese, and bacon tart. So it's like thin crust pizza. So this is usually the appetizer. And we have here, ooh, it smells like cheese. So this one is the dauphina. This is
Dauphinois.
dauphinois. So this is the dauphinois. Dauphinois. So this is just, you know, potatoes with some cheese. Yeah, and some cream or milk. And yeah, so let's go and try it. Let's go eat. So I have Heyooo. So I'll try this thing first. This one tastes like a thin crust pizza, but this one, the crust is like potato. I can taste the potato with cheese. There's like strong smell. And some bacon. This is called tarta flambe. Okay. So this lunch is the most important meal for the French people. So they quite eat heavy meals. Oh, and they usually eat snails. Snails, yeah. I couldn't find snails in Lidl, so this is the thing that I'm eating. I'm done with the appetizer, and it was good. It was actually good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. While I was eating it, I was like imagining, like I was really in like France, and then the Eiffel Tower there, and then I was like sipping my water. So they say that without wine, that's gonna be like a sad lunch or dinner. But personally, I don't drink wine or alcohol at all. So here, Imagine that's just wine, but I don't even know the taste of wine, so yeah. So the main thing is this called dauphinois. Dauphinois. I keep on forgetting, but it's the dauphinois. Okay, so let's have the taste of my life. I didn't expect the taste. I thought it would be like creamy, milky, but all I can taste is potato. Yeah, I feel like it's just sliced potatoes. I think these are diced potatoes and mixed with cheese, milk, and it was baked. Okay. It's not that bad, but I expected it to be like more cheesy and less like potato flavor, but okay, the much awaited macaron. All my life, I thought it was macaroon. I kept on saying macaroon, but it's actually macaron. Well, you know what is this? So yes. The first one, I'm guessing this is pistachio. Le dessert. It's so soft. Again, this is probably not authentic, but it's just sweet, soft, and chewy feeling. This is probably coffee. Yum, crunchy. Oh no, this is coffee. Coffee. Sarap. Oh my god. Dessert is my favorite. So, again, imagining the Eiffel Tower there. I wish I could give one to you. Let's go for the last dessert. You know what I deserve? Dessert. 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 You know what I deserve? Dessert. Dessert. If you know that song, we're gonna click. So for the last dessert, it's this one. It's mini salted caramel profiteroles. How do you say that?
Profiterole.
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 What?
Profiterole.
Profiterole. Okay. Anyone French people watching this, please teach me how to say this properly. So this is the one. It's salted caramel profiteroles. I feel like I've seen this before. Yeah. Smells like caramel. Smells so sweet. Okay, let's get one. Is this ice cream? This is gonna be my second favorite. Oh my gosh! Ang sarap!
Okay, now I know why it's expensive. Mind blowing. 100%! It's really, really good! Oh my gosh! I don't know how to explain it in other words, but it's so, so good. It's like cream puff, and then the filling is like caramel, but it's like ice cream inside. Yeah, it's like a cake, and then inside there's ice cream. It's like ice cream cake.
Oh my gosh, bakit ang sarap? Bakit ngayon ko lang ito natikman? Why? I want more. My gosh, ang sarap. Okay. Definitely French food when it comes to dessert. I have no words. Wala akong masabi. My gosh. You need to try this. If you're in Ireland or if you have Lidl, you should look for this. Bye-bye. I enjoyed my lunch. I enjoyed my French lunch. Imagining the Eiffel Tower there and the wine here. Bye. I'll see you later. Either snacks or dinner time. Hello. So I just woke up from my nap and it's snack time. So while I was searching, I was like searching Google, so what's the typical French snacks? And then it popped that French people don't snack. Snacks is not a thing in France. So I was like, okay. But it does make sense because they eat heavy lunch. So I think that makes sense. But for me, I'm like, no. So they said that snack properly or don't snack at all. So I got this from Lidl, of course. Consider it's salted caramel and chocolate tartlets. And I have some, it's hot. Tea, it's berry tea. Oh, they come in little pockets like this. First things first, the smell. Oh, smells good. You know the butter cookies and the smell. It smells like really buttery. And the taste as well. Good. And it's like there's filling inside. It's salted caramel and chocolate. You know the profiteroles. You know the profiteroles that I ate for lunch? That's how it tastes like. Yeah, the salted caramel. It's not that sweet, but it's really good. I'm gonna try. How's it taste? What? The cookies is good, yes. Parang butter cookies talaga. Hindi ko alam. I was asking for more. And it's good. Good.